Arista Networks stock is surging, but it's not just about the numbers. It's the future of AI-driven networks that's capturing Wall Street's attention. The company recently stunned investors with a bold forecast: $10.5 billion in revenue by fiscal 2026, a 20% annual growth rate that edges slightly above market expectations. But here's where it gets controversial. Many analysts argue this target is actually too cautious. Barclays' Tim Long, for instance, pointed out that Arista's deferred revenue could fuel even faster growth, especially in AI networking. And this is the part most people miss. The real story isn't just the money, it's the infrastructure revolution Arista is betting on. By 2026, the company projects its AI-related revenue will balloon from $1.5 billion to $2.75 billion, a 70% leap driven by both front-end network switches, the digital traffic lights of data centers, and back-end Ethernet systems that stitch together AI server clusters. Imagine the Internet's backbone getting a turbocharged upgrade. This is the vision Arista is selling, but Arista isn't alone in the race. Giants like Cisco and Juniper are hot on its trail, while NVIDIA brings its own muscle to the AI networking arena. Yet, the company's playbook is evolving. While its cloud giants, Microsoft and Meta, remain its cash cows, Arista is quietly making waves in the enterprise sector. Through its recent acquisition of VeloCloud, it's now pushing software-defined wide area networks SD-WAN to corporate clients, a move analysts like William Blair's Sebastian Nagy call a game changer. Think of it as Arista expanding its territory from cloud castles to corporate boardrooms. So what's fueling this growth? The AI gold rush, of course. As companies pour billions into data centers, Arista's Ethernet tech has emerged as the preferred choice over alternatives like InfiniBand. The debate is over. Nagy declares, a sentiment that's hard to ignore. But does this mean Arista's stock is a no-brainer buy? Not so fast. Its valuation has climbed to dizzying heights, with shares hitting a record $156.32 in 2025. While institutional buyers are still piling in, thanks to that glowing IBD composite rating of 99, skeptics wonder if the AI hype will fade. Could this be the next tech bubble waiting to pop? Or is Arista truly building the rails for the AI economy? And here's another twist. Arista's biggest allies aren't just its hardware rivals. Broadcom, a semiconductor titan, is now a key partner, while Oracle's potential as a client remains a mystery. Arista's analysts stayed mum on whether cloud titan Oracle is boosting their business, even as Oracle itself projects a data center boom. Is Arista's silence a red flag or a strategic move? The market seems to think the latter. Pre-market trading saw shares climb 1% as investors speculate. So, is Arista's stock a goldmine waiting to happen, or is it overhyped? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's debate the future of AI networking and where Arista stands in the race. After all, the next decade of tech might just hinge on the switches Arista builds today.